Javeri Bros Diamonds and Gold brings its legacy to Bengaluru, unveils first boutique in Karnataka. A heritage jeweler steps into the heart of Karnataka with a modern boutique celebrating craftsmanship, culture, and contemporary elegance. Adding a touch of royal splendor to Bengaluru's luxury landscape, Javeri Bros Diamonds and Gold, a name synonymous with trust and timeless artistry across South India, has opened its first boutique in Sadashivnagar, marking a significant expansion in the brand's 30-year legacy. The inauguration became even more special with the presence of Her Highness Maharaj Kumari Kamakshi Devi Wadiyar and Her Highness Maharaj Kumari Indrakshi Devi Wadiyar, esteemed princesses of the Mysore royal family. The royal dignitaries unveiled the latest signature collections, symbolizing a beautiful confluence of heritage and modern luxury. Redefining everyday elegance, a boutique crafted around emotion and experience. With successful establishments in Coimbatore and Gurugram, Javeri Bros' arrival in Bengaluru is designed to offer a more intimate, experiential, and design-forward approach to fine jewelry. Naresh Chetan, co-founder and managing director, expressed the ethos behind the brand's growth. For us, jewelry has always been about more than adornment. It is a reflection of artistry, relationships, and the values we hold close: trust, excellence, and integrity. Bengaluru represents a new chapter, one where our legacy meets the aspirations of a new generation. At the heart of the new boutique is the brand's signature diamond selection, crafted with impeccable symmetry and outstanding brilliance. The hearts signify compassion and connection, while the arrows represent intention and resilience. Together, they form a narrative of unity and craftsmanship. Sangeeta Chetan, co-founder and CEO, added, "We design jewelry that becomes a part of her story. Each piece is created to uplift, empower, and remind her that every day is worth celebrating." Introducing Navya, a contemporary take on Navratna. A key highlight of the launch was the debut of Navya, the Navratna collection, a vibrant reimagining of India's revered 9 gems. Infused with modern aesthetics yet rooted in cultural symbolism, Navya is crafted for women who seek pieces that are meaningful, youthful, and effortlessly stylish.
That matter in Bangalore or Gurgaon, and if they are from some other city, we will ensure that the caravan, the jeweler on wheels caravan, is sent to their premises, and we are going to showcase the jewelry in the caravan to the customer, where we don't need to go into their houses. Instead, we will call them into the caravan, make them comfortable, and show the jewelry to them so that they are able to look at the product physically, hold it in their hand, and purchase it from us or place an order with us. So this might be the future for Javeri Brothers growth, where we don't necessarily need to open too many branches, and we have caravans parked across India, okay, where any part of India, if somebody is asking for jewelry to be shown to them, it is sent to their house. Now the caravan is fully equipped as a jewelry store. It can be the display and the weighing scales and the computers, the billing and the cameras, everything is fully equipped. The caravan is fully equipped. So it ensures that the best comfort is given to the customer, wherein the customer feels that she is actually sitting in the jewelry store, but actually she is sitting in the caravan and she is purchasing the jewelry.
Also, there is a connect in Kuwait, both of us. From 1982, my husband had started a jewelry store. I joined him in 1984. From 1984 to now 2025, we've been together, partnering each other in the growth story of Javeri Brothers Diamonds and Gold. He's a far-sighted man. I'm the co-founder of Javeri, but he's a far-sighted man, and the vision that he has with Jeweler on Wheels is completely different, wherein the customer can make a video call, make a selection, and the product reaches their home, and from the comfort of a caravan, fully furnished caravan, the customer can purchase. Plus, the caravan is constantly connected to our main store, and our team is available for consultation as well. It's fully equipped with CCTV cameras, so it's not at all a security risk for anybody. And as far as design is concerned, we have always taken care to produce each piece as one of a kind.
So how you continue for 40 years legacy?
The future is technology, so we have to leverage technology. How do we leverage technology? We are looking at a diamond genome kind of a product, which is going to be specific to each individual, but it will be unique to every individual, and it will be sold on websites. Another thing that we are proposing to do is jewelry connected with emotions. We see a lot of depression, we see a lot of mental illnesses, we see a lot of things, and I think a lot of things that anchor us are certain phrases. Stay strong, I am there for you, whatever. Those kinds of phrases we are planning to launch as a collection for people who can look at a particular bracelet or a pendant or a ring and feel that somebody is there for them.